In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for insurance content ideas fast and easy. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your content relevant and engaging, Google Trends is an invaluable tool. It helps you understand what's trending so you can tailor your content to meet the interests and needs of your audience. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Trends. Simply open your web browser and search for Google Trends. Click on the first link to access the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Explore. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a search bar where you can input your core keywords. Now, it's crucial to start with broad terms that are central to your business services. Keywords such as car insurance, health insurance, home insurance, and life insurance are excellent examples. After entering a keyword, hit Enter to view the data. You might want to compare these keywords with each other. This can be done by clicking the plus icon next to the search bar and adding another keyword. Compare as many keywords as necessary to get an accurate snapshot of interest levels over time. When you have your keywords set up, you can refine your search with a few filters to suit your needs better. Begin by selecting a location. Determine if you'd like to view trends for a specific country, state, or even city, depending on where your insurance services are offered. Then, choose a time range. For general trends, select the last 12 months, while seasonal or trending topics are best explored over the last 30 days. Next, adjust the category setting. Selecting finance will filter out unrelated results, allowing you to focus solely on relevant data. Most searches will benefit from using the web search setting, but if you're keen on current financial topics, explore news search as well. After setting your filters, scroll down to the Related Queries section. Under Rising and Top, you'll discover what people are actively searching for. These queries can be pure gold for your content strategy. Look at queries like Best Car Insurance for Young Drivers or Flood Insurance Cost Calculator. They can inspire blog posts, headline options, and even PPC ad targets. Finally, once you've gathered significant data, you can export it. Click on Download CSV to save any related queries of interest. Organize these into categories based on potential uses like crafting landing page content, blog ideas, or upcoming social media posts. Having these organized can streamline your content development workflow and keep your ideas fresh and targeted. And there you have it. Using Google Trends can be an efficient and insightful way to develop new content ideas tailored specifically for your audience's current interests. Dive in today and start crafting content that resonates with your audience like never before. Thanks for watching.